Hey guys, this is Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Today we're going to turn this bow staff into a cane.
I cut this to length using my bandsaw and sanded the contour with my oscillating sander, then used my lathe to clean it up. Drill some holes with my drill press and then insert a threaded nut with some CA glue.
Hey guys, so that was a quick and easy cane using a bow staff from a Taekwondo class of one of my kids. Little anti-skid drawer liner and some threaded inserts. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you would use this.